Hello, I'm Dr. Pei Huang. I'm the CEO of eWorks, a leading platform of smart manufacturing in China. I'm also the Foreign Fellow of AAET and also the Deputy General Secretary of International Coalition of Intelligent Manufacturing. It's my honor to present the trend of smart manufacturing of China in 2025. In the first half of this year, Chinese manufacturing got steady growth. The overall manufacturing value added grow 7%. The profits grow 4.8%. The shipbuilding industry is still the number one in many data. And automotive industry grow very big. You can see the sales is more than 15 million. And the new energy vehicles, the sales is about 7 million, grow 41%, account for 44% to the total sales. The export is more than 3 million. The new energy vehicles export more than 1 million. So electronics and electrical machinery, the value added grow both more than 10%. So the competitive advantage of Chinese manufacturing, including the country strategy, is from the world factory to global manufacturing innovation center. So we have powerful government support from large to strong manufacturing industry. And a lot of manufacturing companies in China are faster learner. They are good at low-cost production and export. A lot of international companies have many manufacturing sites and R&D and distribution centers in China, normally account for 10 to 30% of their global sales. So China has a big domestic market. More and more Chinese manufacturing companies are becoming international. We normally call it go overseas. And we have huge and continuous investment on infrastructure, including high-speed railway, highway, and so on. And we have complete range of industrial categories, powerful supply chain, and domestic transportation network. In China, we have abundant engineers and skilled workers. And Chinese manufacturing companies are quickly promote e-business, digital transformation, and smart manufacturing. But they also have some challenges and issues. So the PMI index in the last 12 months, you can see that in the right, most of the time are less than 50. And the common problem, including primarily focus on low-cost competition strategy, lack of original technological innovation, fierce price competition lead to low profit and even losses. And manufacturing companies are encountered enormous energy saving and environmental protection pressures. IP protection and product and service quality are also some big problem, and the over capacity in many vertical industries. And in recent 5 years, the bursting of the real estate bubble have very big impact on many manufacturing sectors. For example, industrial equipment sectors. And in China, some big OEM companies are lack of ecological cooperation among the value chain. Sometimes they pay to the supplier very late, sometimes even more than 1 year. And in recent years, state-owned enterprises are growing stronger, while private enterprises face survival difficulties. So the megatrend of Chinese manufacturing include transformation toward high-end, intelligent, and green manufacturing, digital transformation, smart manufacturing, and AI application, globalization and improving supply chain resilience, developing high-quality products and improving profitability. In recent years, there are some very innovative companies in China. For example, in uh, uh, some drone companies, some companies develop smart glasses, develop commercial 3D printers. So there are some very big companies, very fast-growing companies. And manufacturing companies are trying to meet personalization and flexible customization and enhancing technological innovation capabilities and increase R&D investment. And more and more companies are trying to earn money from the aftermarket. And they are trying to build ecosystem among the supply chain. ESG and decarbonization is also a hot topic in China. So to realize smart manufacturing, we think there are 10 scenarios. For example, smart connected product, smart service, use more and more smart equipment, including some very innovative logistic equipment, and use more and more flexible manufacturing system, FMS, and build smart and flexible production line, realize smart workshop and smart factory. And in R&D, in management area and in supply chain management, we use more and more digital and smart technology. And finally, realize smart decision. So to realize these scenarios, the manufacturing companies need to have the capability and teams to apply AI, IoT, cloud computing, and so on. And in my view, there are 7 digital transformation models, including business model transformation. For example, pay-per-use, R&D model transformation, including simulation-driven design, production model transformation, especially realize IT and OT convergence, sales model transformation, including use some digital sales, and service model transformation, including use some, we call it AI robot, to take the phone call of customer, and use IoT and sensor data to realize predictive maintenance. Operation model transformation, use more and more mobile application and even some AI agents to collaborate and to improve the process efficiency. And finally, realize decision-making model, use some big data analysis. And to realize smart factory is the kernel of smart manufacturing. In our view, we should have 5 steps. First, lean factory. Second, connected factory. Especially in discrete industries, many companies, their workshops are still like a black box. So we need to connect the network to gather data from the machines, and then we can gather data and realize transparent factory to know the OEE, to know the efficiency, to know the energy consumption, and so on, and the quality ratio. And the fourth step is digital factory. So we can use MES, MOM, and even some other software to realize the digitalization of the factory. And finally, we can realize smart factory. We should use flexible automation, machine vision, digital twin, and also even APS, and use more and more AI, especially in the quality check. So in China, in these years, AI is very hot, especially, as you know, DeepSeek is hot in China now. And this innovation reduced the cost of applying AI. So besides quality check, there are some other areas, including supply chain optimization, predictive maintenance, industrial and collaborative robotics, product development, and energy management. For example, we are talking about text to CAD, use some new way to do the 3D model. And in recent months, AI agents is hot in China. For example, this is a AI agent to manage the knowledge, including R&D knowledge, maintenance knowledge, process knowledge, and so on. And this is an interesting case. In many years ago, we tried to use CAPP, computer-aided process planning software, to develop process planning. And right now, we can use some AI models to develop process planning automatically and intelligently. For example, the first step is to recognize the features, production features, and then we can use some AI model, and based on the experience of the process planning, we can generate new process planning for these features. So the main value of promote smart manufacturing in China, we have actually more than 10 years history of promote smart manufacturing, and many companies are upgrade very quickly. And as you know, in the lighthouse factories, Chinese manufacturing companies account for 40% of the total lighthouse factories. So in my view, the main advantage of promoting smart manufacturing include increase production efficiency, cut cost, improve quality, improve innovation capabilities, and reduce the time to market of new products. Supply chain optimization, energy saving, enhance safety and security, agility, and responsiveness to the change of the market. So to summarize, China is on the way of transformation from the world factory to global manufacturing innovation center. Chinese manufacturers are going global in faster pace, but still meet many challenges, especially about the compliance. Smart manufacturing is the main initiative of Chinese manufacturing upgrade and transformation, and has got very good achievements. AI technology is rapid growing and has more and more application area and case scenarios in Chinese manufacturing sectors. So as I mentioned, eWorks is the smart manufacturing hub of Chinese manufacturing area, and we have 23 years history. So that's my presentation. Thanks for your attention.